multiply decimal by decimal. Who was the person on Friday that got the problem that had decimal by decimal up on the board? It was the one on the very right-hand side. It had a decimal in the top number and a decimal in the bottom number. Okay, that's what we're doing today. So we're gonna multiply a decimal by a decimal. If we look at this problem right here, I have 3.6 times 0.05. If we look at it, really, I just copied it out of the book, but I would probably put 3.6 on top other than 0.05, wouldn't you guys? Yeah. So I would use 3.6 times, there with the right, 0.05. So 6 times 5 is 30. 3 times 5 is 15. Plus 3 is 18. Now, on Friday, we were used to just having one decimal, right? Now there's 2 decimals. So we need to go 1, 2, 3. So if there's 3 spaces up on top, how many spaces needs to be below? 3. So 1, 2, 3, decimal. Just like that. Just like that. So you're multiplying like normal, right? And then you're counting the number of decimal places. I'm going to do one more with you, then I'll call 2 people up to do these ones, okay? So I have 5.7 times 2.8. 7 times 8 is 56. So I'll carry my 5. 5 times 8 is 40. Plus 5 is 45. Put my magic 0. 2 times 7 is 14. Carry my 1. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. Now I'm going to add those numbers together. 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 4 is 9. 4 plus 1 is 5. And we have a 1. Who thinks they know how many decimal places we're going to have? Diana? 2, because 1, 2. So 1, 2. That's your answer. So regular multiplication, and you just count how many decimal places. Landon, would you like to come do 4.12 times 0.05? My paper. You have to write pretty. Or you can go, yeah, come back here. Come back here so that it can record.
Okay. I can record it. That's it. Just like so. And then I sit down on the ball and I put.
Okay.
4.
Guys, make sure you are working them out.
Times.
And you don't work the next one out, that's fine.
Okay. 0. Here I go. 0, 1, 10, 5 times. Whoa, that looks like this. Okay, 5 times. 6. And then put 5 times 4 is 20.
I love how some of you are working and you're not even looking at what he's going to be, looking what he's doing.
I put a 0. Wait, I'm confused. Okay, so 2, and then I put a 0, right? Yeah. And now I'll put. What did I do wrong? Oh, I didn't see what I did wrong.
I'll go over it once his hand moves, okay?
Okay, my hand moved.
Okay, so 4.12 times 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5, 6. 5 times 4 is 20. How many decimal places do we have? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So where does our decimal go to go?
1, 2, 3, 4.
If you forget to add that 0 in front of that, am I going to count you wrong?
I did it.
No.
That's a lot of places.
Good job. Okay, Landon, pick someone else to come do the next problem.
I pick somebody that's called Dakota.
Okay. Peter, you need to control it, please. Come on, Dakota. You're on the clock. Look. It's timing you. Let's go.
He's on time.
Peter.
And so this one?
Yep.
Can you see it? Thank you. Yeah.
Do we have to find the decimal dot when we're multiplying?
Yes.
When we're multiplying?
No.
No.
I knew that.
So it's just like we're doing 14 times 37, right? That'll probably make it a little easy for you. Guys, if you want to write it as you're multiplying without the decimal in there, that's fine. You just go up to the original problem and count. So it's like 14 times 37 is what he's doing right now.
So is this test just going to have problems like this one? It's not going to be very hard. I don't have one.
Okay, so 4 times 7 is 28. 2 times 1 is 2 plus the, what is that?
It's 0.05.
I'm trying, I can't, there's a glare. So, we got 28, 7, 8, 9, 0, 3 times 4 is 12, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 4 plus 1 is 5.
Does that work from 0?
Okay, then he just did 14 times 37, right? And then he went back up to the top. He went 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And he knew in that blank there was going to be a 0. Great job. Okay, over on this side, we're annexing a 0. Who knows what the word annex means? Emily. To add a 0. Okay, so let's take a look at this. I'm taking 0.067 times 1.4. So it's like we're multiplying 67 times 14, right? So 7 times 4 is what? 28. 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 2 is 26. Magic 0. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 6 is 6. So I have 8. 6 plus 7 is? 6 plus 3 is? Okay, let's take a look here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. What goes in that blank? A 0. What goes in front of the 0? A decimal point, and then a 0. Just like that.
It looked like your hand was blowing when you put it over the paper.
Sorry.
Teachers from the rest of the time we are ready for 6th grade.
Hey, can someone move my smartboard markers? Guys, we're not leaving quite yet. So, 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. Raise your amount of fingers, the amount of decimal spaces we're going to have. Raise your fingers. Show me. 4. And this one right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey! Now we gotta go to